In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view drafts on Circle.so if you're using Circle. So to manage your community and find yourself frequently saving drafts of posts to tweak later, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through each step so you can effortlessly access your drafts and make any necessary edits, or even post them when you're ready. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Circle.so login page and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Next, you're going to locate the section labeled Spaces on your left sidebar. Give that a click. Spaces are essentially the different areas or categories you have within your Circle.so community. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the individual spaces you've set up. Now select the specific space where you initially created your draft. This will take you directly to the environment where your post was originally composed, making it easier to track down all your saved content. Once you're in that space, look towards the top right corner of your screen for a button labeled Create Post. Click on it. Even if you'd started your draft already, this is the quickest way to open the post editor. The post editor is your central hub for creating and adjusting all your posts. Inside the post editor, you'll notice several options for managing your content. Direct your attention to the area labeled Drafts. This is typically found at the top or in the side panel of your editor interface. Clicking here will present you with a list of your unfinished posts stored as drafts. This convenient feature allows you to manage your creative process without losing track of work in progress. Once you've clicked on Drafts, your list of saved drafts will appear. Browse through these until you find the one you're looking for. Once you've located the draft, simply click on it to open it up in the editor. Now you're ready to make adjustments or review the content. This stage is your opportunity to refine your draft, add fresh content, or adjust formatting as needed. Finally, after you've made all the necessary changes, you have two choices. You can either go ahead and post your now edited draft by clicking Post, sharing your ideas with your community, or if you're not quite done yet or want to save it for later, simply leave it as a draft until you're ready. And there you have it. With these steps, accessing and managing your drafts on Circle.so becomes a seamless part of your content creation process. I hope this guide helps you keep your workflow as efficient and organized as possible. Thank you for watching, and happy drafting.